If you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nikola Tesla.
But what does it really mean?
From ancient philosophy to modern physics, across religions and sciences, a profound truth echoes. Everything is vibration. In Buddhism, the universe is not built from things, but from causes and conditions, arising from resonance. The most sacred sounds, such as Om or Buddhist mantras, are not just chants. They are vibrations. They align the mind, body, and spirit with the fabric of existence itself. Modern science tells us atoms are 99.9999% empty space. What gives matter its form is not solidity, but movement, vibration. Sound, light, color, even time, all are frequencies measured at different scales. We live in a sea of vibration. We just don't see it. Ever noticed how music changes your mood? Or how certain voices feel healing? Your thoughts have frequencies, emotions too. Joy vibrates differently than fear. Gratitude, peace, love, they are not just feelings. If the universe vibrates, and we are part of the universe, then what if our very consciousness is just another frequency in the grand field? Ancient sages, mystics, and modern thinkers have all asked, are we tuning in or tuning out? Everything is vibration. But the deepest resonance is within. To hear it, you don't need more noise. You need silence. You need stillness. You need inner resonance.